TikTok clones are not even 10% of the actual TikTok. Hey, welcome back to the Kamshan Show. Why Indian TikTok clones are likely to be fail? In this video, we are going to discuss this only. So let's get started. TikTok's main objective was to keep users on their app as long as possible. So they focused heavily on showing the right video to the right users. And in order to do that, the TikTok's team developed an matching engine algorithm that matches the right videos and show it to the users with preferences to the classification or characteristics which they like to watch. For an example, if you like videos with particular text or description like dancing or comedy, then the TikTok's engine will try to recommend you exactly the videos you love to watch. The more time you spend on the app, the more it will shows you exactly videos you love to watch and keep eye on you. After the TikTok was banned in India, lots of Indian entrepreneurs started building TikTok clones to chase the downloads. People with deep pockets are massively spending on the advertisement of these clones to acquire the millions of downloads. Burning cash to acquire new users is not the solution to become a next TikTok in India. The user who downloads the TikTok clones will eventually uninstall them because current TikTok clones are not even 10% of the actual TikTok because they have no matching engine which shows exactly the right videos to the right users which users actually love to watch. It's just like millions of videos randomly put together and randomly appearing with a swipe. TikTok gains millions of users because they have a strong, intelligent recommendation system which keeps users to stay on the app for longer duration. TikTok is a high-performance video delivering platform which delivers videos even in a slow network connection, and there the many clones are struggling. However, building the next TikTok and dominating the market will require top-notch engineering capability and a recommendation and a personalization engine backed by millions of dollars for marketing and advertisement, users and creator acquisition, which was not seen in majority of current alternative clones. TikTok has global content creators from all over the world, and the content like scientific experiences, stunts, skydiving, etc. that people love to watch. While the Indian TikTok clones have no global content and creators, these clones are full of cringe content of same creators, which every swipe second video you will see these cringe content which users hate to watch the same content every time. Unlike other networks, you don't need a tons of followers for your video to go viral. There is a high probability that TikTok shall come back if it justifies security issues or handle Indian operations to Indian companies or Indian economy. And when TikTok will come, TikTok will have definitely a better product to defeat these clones. Because TikTok just has a better recommendation engine which is enough to fight with these TikTok clones. But it's just early days for Indian TikTok clone. We might show a progress in near future. So this was the case study on Indian TikTok clones. Please support us by liking this video and be the medium by sharing to the peoples. And if you are interested in business, startup and entrepreneurship, then you can subscribe this channel, press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. Till then, see you in the next video. Thank you and have a blissful day.